mystique, my squeaky toys had lost their squeak. And then, out of the blue, I saw the phone, and bam! My destiny was calling. Pitched my vision for a show. They loved it. Thought I was a pro. They got my contract back to fine. To their alarm, a dog had signed. Oh, I like that name. I didn't wait to renovate. Found 6 contestants. All were great. And now I'm on the road to fame. I've got a game show and its name is... It's very catchy. It rolls off the tongue. You know, I bet Archer doesn't have to deal with stuff like